What is Tesla? Tesla Incorporated is an American automotive and clean energy company based in Austin, Texas. Tesla designs and manufactures electric vehicles, battery energy storage from home to grid scale, solar panels and solar roof tiles, and related products. Who are the Tesla founders? Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning founded Tesla in 2003. Ian Wright joined a short time later. In February 2004, Elon Musk led the Series A funding round by joining the board as chairman and later as CEO. Tesla appointed J.B. Straubel